Come test drive the 2024 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, automatic climate control, first aid kit, cargo net, cargo tray, leather-wrapped steering wheel, lumbar support, carpeted floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.